One thing you can do that'd be wise to manifest money is to stop, reflect, maybe meditate a second, and think about what product, service, or idea could you generate or create that would truly serve human beings' needs. If you really care about humanity, you'd find out what people need and either directly or indirectly attempt to provide some product, service, or idea that meets those needs. That money comes from exchanging in a fair manner, efficiently and effectively, some product, service, or idea that people need. If you don't care about humanity and don't ever find out what their needs are, you probably are not going to flourish financially. So first, contemplate what exactly, with your talent, your skill, your knowledge, could you provide in people's needs. A friend of mine recently found an affiliate arrangement with Amazon where they can look up where people are searching for products, and then they can put an affiliate link with Amazon and get a percentage of that, and they can generate money without doing much at all except having a website that automatically does it, and a PayPal arrangement, an affiliate arrangement, and they make money out of it, and it just prints money for them. But if you're meeting people's needs, you have money. If you're not meeting people's needs, there's no demand. If there's no demand on your service, then you're not meeting people's needs. So money is an expression of that. Then number two, in addition to finding somebody's needs, is to manage efficiently and effectively the processing of that delivery of that product, service, or idea where there's a profit. And that takes the skills of prioritizing your actions and being efficient in delivering that in a way that's more effective and efficiently than competitors. So you can make a margin on it and then make a profit. And then third is taking a portion of that and buying assets with it, putting in savings to make sure stabilize the business, but putting money into assets. And assets are not houses and not cars and not spending on lifestyle. It's buying assets that go up in value, that put money in your pocket, like shares of companies, like real estate that are rentals and things of this nature, or buying properties that you upgrade and resell, but some sort of an asset. If you're not buying assets that go up in value, you're buying things that are consumables that are going down in value. And you can't get ahead financially that way. You can only get ahead by buying assets. So figuring out how to serve people, how to effectively and efficiently manage that, make a profit, and in buying assets is still the pathway, and will still probably be the pathway for as long as we're around, uh, to building wealth. And to any other shortcut, don't look for a quick shortcut. Just look for ways of being of service to people. Look at how to do it more effectively than somebody else, and then look at how to buy assets. Because when you buy assets, you're also serving people. You're giving an opportunity for companies to flourish, to serve more people more efficiently and make them competitive. Or you're buying and giving opportunities for people to have a place to live by rental properties. But buying an asset is what allows you to eventually have your money work for you instead of you working for it. So those are three little steps that are involved in changing your financial position. But you're not going to really change that unless you're thinking along those lines.